Imagine waking up every night and feeling very thirsty. You go to bathroom again and again. You feel tired all the times even after resting. Many people think this is a normal, but sometimes those can be early warning sign of diabetic mellitus. Diabetic is one of the fastest growing diseases in the world. Millions of people are living with diabetes. The dangerous thinking about a diabetic is that symptoms can appear slowly and the people often ignore them. Welcome to Medical Simplified. In this video, I will explain what is early symptoms of diabetic mellitus that your body may be show before the disease become the serious. Understanding those signs early can help you diagnose the disease and prevent complications. So watch this video carefully, until to end. What is diabetic mellitus? Before we talk about symptoms, let's understand what is diabetic actually. Diabetic is a condition where the level of sugar in the blood become too high. Normally the hormone insulin helps the glucose in the blood cell where it used for energy. But in diabetic ethers, the body does not produce any of the insulins or the body cannot use insulin properly. Because of this, glucose stayed in the blood. Over time, high blood sugar can damage the many organs, include the heart, kidneys, and eyes and nervous systems. Now let's discuss the early symptoms of diabetic mellitus. Frequent urinations. One of the earliest signs of diabetic is frequent urination. When the blood sugar level becomes very high, the kidney try to remove the extra glucose from the blood. To do this, the kidneys produce the more urine. As a result, the person needed to go to the bathroom many times during the day, even at night. If someone suddenly notices they are urinating much more than usual, it could be early warning sign of diabetic mellitus. Excessive thirst. Because the body is losing the more water through the urine, the person may feel very thirsty. Even after drinking water, the thirst may continue. This happens because the body is trying to replace the fluid lost through the frequent urination. The many people with early diabetics report a feeling thirsty all the time. Constant fatigue. Another common symptom is extreme tiredness or fatigue. Normally glucose provides energy for the body cell, but when insulin is not working properly, glucose cannot enter the cell effectively. As a result, the body cells do not get enough the energy. This can make a person feel weak, tired all the time. Increase hunger. People with diabetes may also feel hunger the more often than usual. Even after eating the full meal, they may still feel hunger. This happens because the body cells are not receiving enough the glucose from energy. The brain thinks that body needs more food, so it sends the signal the increased hunger. Unexplained weight loss. Sometimes people with diabetes may lose weight without trying. This can be surprise because the person may be actually eating the more food, but since the body cannot use the glucose properly, it is beginning to break down fat and muscles for energy. This leads to unexplained weight loss. Blurred vision. High blood sugar can also affect your eyes. When the glucose level rises, it can be causes fluid changes in the eyes lenses. This affects the ability of the eyes to focus properly. As a result, the person may experience the blurry vision. If the blood sugar is remaining too high for a long time, it can damage your eyes and lead to serious problems like diabetic retinopathy, slow healing of wounds. Another warning sign of diabetes is slow healing of cut or wounds. High blood sugar can damage the blood vessels and reduce the blood circulation. This means that oxygen and nutrients cannot reach our wounds. Because of cut or infection may take much longer to heal. Tingling or numbness. Some people may experience tingling or numbness in the hand or feet. This occurs because high blood sugar can damage the nervous system. Is a condition denoted the diabetic neuropathy. It is the early stage of symptoms may be feel like pain or needles in the feet or fingers. Frequent infections. People with diabetics may get infections or more often. Those may include skin infections, gums infections, or urinary tract infections. High blood sugar can be weakens immune systems, where the bacteria and fungi can be grow easily. Why the early detection is important. Ignoring those symptoms can be dangerous. If diabetes is not treated, it can be lead to serious complications such as heart disease, kidney failures, vision loss, and nervous damage. But the good news is the early diagnosis and proper treatment can be prevent many of those complications. How to reduce of risk diabetic mellitus? There are several ways to lower the risk of developing diabetic mellitus. First, to maintain a healthy diet include fruit and vegetables and whole grain. Second, exercise regularly. Even the 30 minutes of walking daily can help control the blood sugar. Third, maintain a healthy body weight. And finally, have regular medical checkup, especially if you have the family history of diabetic mellitus. Diabetic is a serious disease but is often begin with a small warning sign. Symptoms like frequent urinations, exercise and fatigue, and blurry visions and slow healing of wounds. You should be never ignore on these symptoms. Recognizing those symptoms early can help you seek the medical help and protect your health. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more medical educational videos.